Hi lovely people, I'm Kanak and you're watching your favorite cooking channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you Indian traditional basic sweet dish that is Besan Laddu. These are really rich in texture and these are made out of gram flour. And as you all know, Ganpati festival is just around the corner. So let's make these laddus specially for Ganpati ji for this special occasion. First heat a wok on to medium-high heat and now put the melted clarified butter and then add the gram flour and the semolina and mix well with the help of spatula. Keep stirring everything and roast the gram flour mixture until it becomes light golden brown in color. Stir the mixture continuously with the spatula to prevent burning. Cooking on high flame will not allow the mixture to cook fully and it will get burned at the bottom. So cook it on medium to low flame. When the color has changed, you will also start to smell the sweetness of roasted gram flour. This will take about 7 to 10 minutes. Now once you see it has done, the color has become good and it has roasted well. Now remove it from the heat and sprinkle some water and again mix it nicely and let the gram flour mixture cool to warm temperature. Don't let it become to room temperature. While the mixture is warm enough, add the cardamom powder and the sugar powder and mix well and keep stirring with the help of a spoon. And if you find if the mixture is too dry, you can again add a few teaspoons of warm clarified butter again. Now to make the laddus, take about 2 tablespoons of warm mixture into your palm and gently press the mixture between your palms to form a smooth round ball. The laddus are usually about the size of a ping pong ball and you can also adjust as per your preference. Now my lovely and rich besan ka laddus are ready. I am going to garnish it with some pistachios on top. So my lovely besan ka laddus are ready. As you can see, they look really rich and colorful with some pistachio on top. Do try this for your special occasions and guests. And if you really enjoyed watching me today, hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat